Hello guys, I know a lot of people like this Kambrook iron because it's a quality brand, and then they like the amount of steam that it takes off, but not really know how to use the steam. You see these buttons here. We use the right button to spray the water. It sprays water, and then we use this one for steam. But this one here at the front has got three options. With it, you can stop. If you don't want the steam, you push it to this, so it shows a cross on top of the steam. It shows that there's no steam. So if your iron is on this button here, whenever you press, it won't release any steam. However, you will see some dropping some water down here because the steam is locked. And then if you don't need too much steam, you put it to a medium amount of steam. And then if you need more pressure, more steam, you put it to the last button here where it shows a lot of steam. So that's how you regulate the steam. And then you want to use the button on the left to release the steam. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.